Hello guys, today video I'm gonna show you the tool that I'm using to help me use multiple accounts to auto post on Twitter. So here is my tool that I'm using. So first is account management. So in this function you can add and manage a limited Twitter account that you want, and you can use this account to do many things that you want, like about auto post, auto comment, mass DM, mass follow, many more. Okay, and in this video I'm gonna show you option about posting. And to auto post, you will need to rewrite content. I will go to content management to prepare my content by to add spot in here, and I will select the category. Next, I will select the tab. You can choose many types like about comment, message, post, seating, share. And next, I will enter the title and enter my content. And I will upload my image. And I will press save to save my content, and after having content I will go to posting function, and here you can choose personal post, post community, or see history of post. And next I will select the category of the account and select the account that I want to go to auto post. After that I will set up the basic configuration. So first is a breakable time between interaction. I've set from 10 to 20 seconds. After that I will select content, the content that I just add in the content management, and I will allow duplicate content between action and account because I just choose one content. Okay, next I will set up the number of posts each account will post, and you can choose many options after that about as hashtag, tag user, interact to the post after posting like about like spot, comment to the post, or add hashtag. And after everything set, I should need press start and let the tool working for me. Okay, so here you can see on the screen the tool will auto open browser like this, and each browser is an account and will auto post for me with the content that I just prepared in my tool. Okay, so here you can see on screen, I just show you the tool that I'm using to help me use my multiple accounts to auto post on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you guys can tell me my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more videos about automation tool.